In today's recipe, I'm going to walk you through the best lemon butter pan sauce. It's a quick restaurant style, thin pan sauce for chicken.
I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel.
This is how you turn a boring chicken into a restaurant quality dinner in under 10 minutes.
Round up a skillet, crank your burner up to medium-high heat.
While the pan is warming up, grab the chicken of your choice and season it with salt and a dash of black pepper.
Add a touch of neutral oil to the pan.
Once the pan is smoking hot, quickly dredge the chicken breasts in all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons or 32 grams. Give the chicken a quick shake to get rid of the excess flour, and then place it into the pan away from you so you don't splash yourself with the hot oil. Watch the temperature of the pan. It should be around medium heat, but don't burn the chicken. Cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on this first side. Flip the chicken, cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. While the chicken finishes up, that gives you the perfect amount of time to zest 1 lemon and juice it. Once the chicken has an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 Celsius, turn off the heat and remove it from the pan. Cover it with foil, put it to the side and let it rest. And while it rests, that gives you the perfect amount of time to build your lemon butter pan sauce.
There's a lot of fond and fat from the chicken in the bottom of the pan. That's flavor. Don't clean that out. You want to keep that. Turn the burner up to medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons or 28 grams of unsalted butter.
The flavor isn't just on the chicken. The skillet is holding some of the best flavor in the entire dish.
To that, you'll add 3 minced cloves of garlic.
Written recipes are available for Sauce Boss level channel members. If you'd like to have this recipe, as well as many other recipes in the comfort of your home, join today. Stir the garlic in, cook it over medium heat for about 30 seconds or until it releases a nice garlicky type smell.
Deglaze with white wine, half of a cup or 125 milliliters. Scrape the sides and bottom of the pan to release that fond up into the liquid. That's flavor, and you want that in your sauce.
Reduce the pan sauce down over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Once you stir and you see trails in the bottom of the pan like this, you're ready to move on to the next step. Grab your freshly squeezed lemon juice and pour it in. Give it a quick stir, cook it over medium heat, and bring the pan sauce to a light simmer. At this point in the sauce making process, add the lemon zest. Give it a quick mix to bring it all together and cook for about 1 minute. Turn off the heat and start adding 4 tablespoons or 56 grams of cold cubed unsalted butter.
Use a spatula or a spoon to stir it into the sauce.
Whisking cold butter into the reduced liquid creates that glossy restaurant-style finish.
Once the butter's all melted, you can add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped parsley.
While the chicken was resting, the pan sauce came together rather quickly, so you know what? The dinner, it's ready in a matter of minutes.
Add a touch of salt and black pepper. Give it a quick taste test. Oh yeah, buttery, citrusy, herbaceous. Woo! This is absolutely fantastic. You're gonna love this.
And there you go, super quick and easy. That's how you make a thin lemon butter pan sauce for chicken. If you're into delicious pan sauce recipes, check out this French classic. It's a sauce au poivre, perfect for any steak. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Until next time, remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.